You want to clear your All India Bar examination? Then you need to understand the value of 3 T's, and I'm sure about that you will certainly win the game. There are 3 secrets you must know before you crack your All India Bar examination. So kindly listen to me till the end of this video, and I'm 100% sure if you will understand the meaning, the secrets behind these 3 T's, you will certainly be able to crack your AIBE exam. Before I start and before I let you know about the value of 3 T's, first you kindly listen to me why this All India Bar examination is very important for everyone, those who want to start their career as an advocate. Clearing the All India Bar examination is crucial because it officially certifies a law graduate's ability to practice as an advocate in India. Unless you will clear your All India Bar examination, you will not be allowed to practice as an advocate in India. It ensures that every practicing lawyer has a minimum level of professional competency and understanding of fundamental legal principles. This is the only thing that the Bar Council of India wants to test in every law graduates, whether he or she has the minimum level of professional competency and the understanding of the fundamental legal principles, or they are able to understand or read, they are able to read the BRX. They only want to check you. Passing the AIBE not only grants you the certificate of practice from Bar Council of India, but also builds your credibility and confidence as you step into the legal profession. So, as soon as you complete your All India Bar examination, immediately you will get the certificate of practice from Bar Council of India that ensures that you can step into the legal professional and you are a full-fledged lawyer as soon as you get the certificate of practice after clearing your All India Bar examination. It acts as a final gateway between academic study and real-world legal practice, making it an essential milestone in every lawyer's journey. So, as soon as you clear your AIB examination and you get the certificate of practice, this acts as a final gateway that now you can move into the real world of legal practice. You can step into the legal practice, the real world of the legal practice. Now I'm letting you know that what are the 3 T's and what is the value of these 3 T's that you must know. First is your time management. Number of people, those who are listening to my videos, they are watching my videos, they are sending me the messages that we were not able to complete the AIB examination at the time they went for this exam. Because of the time management, they were not able to understand, they were not able to manage the things. Learn how to divide your time between preparation, revision and solving papers efficiently in the exam hall. Time management is everything. See, you need to work on your time management at any cost. You cannot skip that. I even told you in my previous videos that one of my colleague, one of my friend, she is a junior of mine, she left 35 questions and the time was just 15 minutes left. Reason being, the question paper was so tough. According to her, that the question paper was so tough that she was not able to manage the time and she was not able to find out the answers from the BRX because she herself was not prepared for this examination. She was not prepared for that. Reason being that she actually never practiced any of the previous question papers. She never practiced. Unless you will practice at your place for 3 hours previous year questions paper, you will not be able to understand the value of time management. This is the real important thing that you must know. So time management is very important when you're moving for that. Second is your technique, your tips and your tricks. In my previous videos even I have given you some of the tips, some of the tricks even, how to find the answers from the BRX. And unless you have the technique, unless you have some of the tips, unless you have some of the tricks with you, you again are standing at the same platform where you actually started. You are standing at the same platform. So you must have the technique, you must have the tips, and you must have the trick with you. So kindly subscribe my channel, because in my almost every video I am giving you the tips, the tricks and the techniques how to find the answers from your BRX. Do subscribe to my channel. Master the right methods for solving problems quickly and accurately. This includes tricks, shortcuts, structured answers, and smart strategies. See, this is very important. You cannot skip that part of the exam. If you want to crack any of the exam, either you talk about AIBE, either you talk about any of the exam, the government exam, unless you have the techniques, you have the tips, you have the tricks, you have the shortcuts, you have the smart strategies, this is going to be real tough for you to crack any of the exam. Thorough understanding, which is very important, means developing a deep and complete grasp of the subject far beyond just memorizing facts or formulas. It involves knowing the why and how behind every concept, being able to connect ideas across topics and applying them to new or unfamiliar problems. Understanding that unless you the things will click into your mind, that why this is happening and how this has happened. Unless these two things are clicking in your mind, you will not be able to it means you are not giving your 100% on that particular concept. So this must click into your mind. Memorizing the facts and formulas is very important. When you truly understand something, you can adapt to any question style, thinking critically. Now the third very important thing is thorough understanding. This is really very important thing that you cannot skip. Means developing a deep and complete grasp of the subject far beyond just memorizing facts and formulas. You are just memorizing if you are just memorizing the facts and formulas instead of getting the deep and complete knowledge about that concept, you are still not giving your 100%. It involves knowing the why and how. Unless these two terms are clicking into your mind, why and how, these two words, unless these two are not clicking into your mind, then again the same thing, that you are not giving your 100% behind every concept, being able to connect ideas across topics and applying them to new or unfamiliar problems. When you truly understand something, you can adapt to any question style, think critically under pressure, and solve even the most unexpected challenges. This depth of knowledge not only boosts your confidence in exams, but also helps you retain information for a much longer time. See, if you have the thorough understanding of any of the BRX, it means you are the master. You are the master of that BRX. And you can retain that information for a long time throughout your career, throughout you practice. So these two terms should always click into your mind, why and how, why this is happening and how this has happened. So the main idea giving you this information is that you must have the three important things always into your mind. First is your time management, second is your techniques, tips and tricks, and third one is the thorough understanding. If you understand the value of these three T's, I'm sure that you will certainly crack your any of the examination, either any of the government examination or any of the private examinations, or all India bar examination. You will certainly. In case you have any of the queries regarding all India bar examination, kindly stay in touch and you can send your messages. In that case, I will certainly get back to you and I will try my level best to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for being with me.